Namaste and welcome. Today we will learn Paschimottanasana, one asana for spine, weight, diabetes, stress and more. In yogic tradition, front is east, back is west, head is north and feet are south. This asana stretches the entire west side from heels to head, hence it's called Paschimottanasana. Let's learn Paschimottanasana with correct breathing techniques to avoid gas and cramps caused by common mistakes. For best results, practice in morning on an empty stomach after warm-up. Sit with legs and back straight and exhale. Count 1. While inhaling, raise both hands overhead. Count 2. While exhaling, slowly bend forward with a straight spine. Hold the big toes and rest forehead on legs. In the posture, breathe normally and stay relaxed. Ideal pose is spine straight, hold toes, elbow on floor, forehead on legs. Start with 30 seconds, increase up to 3 minutes with practice. To release, count 1, exhale and while inhaling, raise head, hands and body. Count 2. While exhaling, bring hands down and return to sitting position. For beginners and elders, the ideal position may feel difficult at first, so try to hold knees, shin bones or ankle. Wherever you comfortably reach, with regular practice, you will gradually move closer to the ideal position. Now, let's learn an easy trick for beginners to reach the ideal position. Quick pause, like, share and subscribe for weekly yoga, Ayurveda and wellness insights. Hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, links in description. Now, let's learn an easy trick for beginners to reach the ideal position. Use a scarf to hold feet. Then slowly bend forward and try to touch forehead to legs. Make sure knees stay down. Focus on bending upper body, not lifting legs. Many people do this pose wrong without realizing it. Here are key mistakes to avoid while bending forward. Don't bounce or shake upper body in attempt to touch forehead to legs. It can strain spine and knees. Avoid rounding back. Keep spine straight while bending. Don't lift knees. Keep legs flat on the floor. Not exhaling fully when bending forward, it can cause gas and cramps. Let's learn the powerful benefits of Paschimottanasana. It boosts digestion by strengthening Chaturagni and relieve constipation, IBS and bloating. It gently compresses the abdomen, helping release trapped gas. It also reduces stress, improves sleep quality, delays sign of aging and may assist in awakening Kundalini energy. It is helpful in weight loss and menstrual health. It also supports diabetic and BP patients when combined with right diet and lifestyle. It is helpful in migraine by supporting better blood and energy flow to the spine and brain. Increases spinal flexibility which may help height growth up to age 25, plus reduce hunchback, improve functioning of abdominal organs. Avoid this asana or consult your doctor if you have spinal injury, surgery, cervical issues, sciatica, pregnancy, hernia, asthma or loose motion. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Namaste and take care.